What's up, Killer Clan? Yep, you better double take, because I couldn't decide which chicken sandwich was the best. It's either the new Nashville hot waffle chicken sandwich from KFC or the new Popeyes chicken sandwich, which I'm proud to say I didn't get stabbed or attacked or approached when I went to buy these. But in front of me I have 5 each, and I've constructed this delicious waffle chicken tower consisting of 5 of these bad boys from Popeyes and 5 of the brand new Nashville hot chicken waffles. And it even comes with Mrs. Butterworth syrup. It's delicious. This video is in collaboration with Reckless Eating. If you don't know who Reckless Eating is, make sure you go over and check out their channel, give them a like and a sub. I'll drop a link to their channel in the box below. But Matt from Reckless Eating did a review on the Nashville hot chicken sandwich, and he said that he wasn't sure which was the best either. And he thought about making like this mega sandwich where he took one of these and one of these and made like the ultimate chicken sandwich. And I said, hey, can I get in on a collab? But I'm gonna step it up a notch and I'm gonna do 5 of each and see what I can come up with. And this is the monstrosity that I come up with. So we're gonna get into this. Like I said before, this is in conjunction with Reckless Eating. Like I said, make sure you go over and check out their channel. I'm gonna run the timer. I'm not planning on speeding through this because I spent $60 on this. So I'm gonna enjoy it. I do got some diet soda and water to help me keep the calories down. But like I said, Matt was interested to see what I could come up with, and I come up with this delicious concoction of chicken sandwiches and waffles and of course syrup, because syrup is delicious. Without further ado, the ultimate chicken and waffles Popeyes KFC sandwich challenge. 3, 2, 1, ultimate sandwich. I'm gonna take this thing down because it is huge. I will bring it up and let you look at it up close though. I mean, look at that thing. Isn't that thing the most incredible thing you've ever seen? Look at that thing. Like, has its own gravitational pull. Oh! I put some skewers in it to try to hold it together so that I could try to make something out of it, but I'm gonna start tearing it apart because it's gigantic. I got the Popeyes here. Chicken breast, pickle and some mayonnaise. It is pretty good, I won't lie. It's definitely pretty good. This thing's huge. I've never had either of these. The Popeyes is pretty good. Now this chicken and waffle thing, like I said, and it comes with my man, my main lady right here, Mrs. B. You out there in YouTube land know that the killer loves syrup. Pretty much on everything. And these things are like kid proof or something. I'm gonna slide this thing up and get you some of this action. Ow, yeah. Gotta love the syrup. That's pretty good. The thing is, I think that the waffle sandwich has to be eaten super fresh because once it gets cold, my closest Popeyes is 45 minutes, so I had to go 45 out, 45 back, and then set up, do thumbnails. The whole, so these are like an hour and a half old. I have a feeling we're running out of syrup. See if I have some honey. I thought I did, but maybe not, but do have some more syrup. Never gonna have enough syrup. Pickles for Nate Figs. I think what they should have done was like kind of make me mix the syrup in with the chicken maybe somehow. It's good. Now it looks like I have a regular portion. Here's just the waffle itself. Just the waffle alone is pretty good. Not bad. Got breakfast. There's one chicken sandwich left of each kind. Excuse me. I kind of want to say that. I got an idea. Let's swap chickens. So I put the Nashville hot inside the Popeyes bun. Popeyes chicken is definitely better than KFC's. Yeah. Popeye chicken inside the KFC waffles. Syrup me up. Now that's a freaking sandwich, bro. Dang, that's good. This is it right here. you want a good chicken sandwich, you go to KFC, get their waffles. Run down to Popeyes, get their chicken. Tell them to keep their bun. Slap it together. That's the ticket. Hit it with some syrup. That's a good sandwich. Alright, Killer Clan, so 17 minutes and 16 seconds to take down 5 each of some of the best chicken sandwiches I've ever had. Of course, I ate them super casual because I did spend $60 on these. They were delicious. Excuse me. Like I said, I think if you take the waffle and put the Popeyes chicken on it, I think that is the ticket. Ugh. Good thing I had diet soda. Help me keep them calories down. But like always, please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure you go over and check out Reckless Eating. Matt and them guys do some crazy stuff. They have food reviews and they blend things up in a blender and chug it and waffle everything, and they got some crazy content. I'm pretty sure Matt uploads every single day. But make sure you go over there and check out Reckless Eating, or I'll put a description below. Make sure you go out to KFC and get yourself one of them Nashville hot waffle sandwiches. And Popeyes and get one of your chicken sandwiches. Just don't get stabbed coming into the parking lot. Until next time, take it easy.